In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Tower Simulator 3 on your PC without overpaying. Because games at Steam can be quite expensive, but don't worry, we got a workaround for that. What you need to do is follow these steps and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. So what we are going to do, search up the game at Steam and then we will continue to another website to download it. So quickly go to the Steam website and then we will check the price. Don't waste too much time on it because we are not going to buy it over here. Select the game Tower Simulator, then scroll a little bit down and as you can see it is €49.99, very expensive, but don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Now what you can do is search up the same game, Tower Simulator 3. As you can see we can select games over here, so do that. And after that sort by price lowest first. Now we will find a PC version over here which can be activated at our country, so make sure this text is marked green, very important, and once you have found one, select it. Now the next step is to see that we already can buy this game for just €29.39 compared to the Steam price of €49.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. So, once you have purchased this game on this website, then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key to download this game through Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys!